How to change name on Atom Bank. Atom Bank is a UK-based fintech company offering mobile-only banking services with no credit checks, multi-currency accounts, and international money transfers, making it especially accessible to people who struggle to open traditional bank accounts. First, go to Atom Bank website and log into your account with email and password. After you log in on homepage, click on Profile. Then click on Settings. Now, next to the name of the account, you will see the word Rename. I will click on the word Rename. I will type in a new name in the field provided. Then click on Save. That's how you can change your name on Atom Bank. That's it. Thanks for watching.